Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Gaudi. This is my first YouTube video, and I will be taking up the chapter 1 of class 12th computers review of Python, and I am gonna discuss two topics today. The topics that I explained in this video through program practice are escape sequences and multiline strings. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Suppose your brother is working in an MNC as senior programmer. Write a program to print your brother's profile using suitable escape characters. This is the program that I am going to discuss with you guys today. Well, this program should bring out the concern of two things. That is that we have to create a profile and what are escape characters. If you know what are escape characters, then only you will be able to write this program. But the first requirement is that we have to create the profile. Now, whenever there are forms given out in your schools to fill out information about your class and everything, so they always have a certain format. They are never random. They are never random. That is what you're gonna do with your brother's profile. You do not have to make it random. You have to be very careful about it. Like, you never fill in the address first, or you never, the first requirement is your name. You never, you make sure that you write it first. It is never written in the end. The sequence is always balanced and in a format. That is what you have to do while creating the brother's profile. Now, the second requirement for this question are the escape characters. Now, escape characters refers to the escape codes or the escape sequences. So I am going to write the definition of escape characters or escape sequences. Escape codes are embedded inside string literals and start with a backslash character. Now, what is a backslash character? This is a backslash character. This is a backslash character. Now, moving on with the definition. They are used to embed characters that are either non-printable or have a special syntactic meaning. To Python, that you want to suppress. So escape codes are embedded inside string literals and start with a backslash character. This is a backslash character. They are used to embed characters that are either non-printable or have a special syntactic meaning to Python that you want to suppress. Now I know that there's not much clear about the definition, but you should always know how to implement it. The definition is only asked at the theory section, and well, this is what it is. Now there's one more possible question that is asked, and that is white space characters. So I'm going to tell you what white space characters are. Okay? let me tell you that white space characters are related to escape sequences, and that is why I'm going to include them in my this video. So, well, here it is. White space characters.
Okay guys, so we are going to discuss the white space characters now. Well, white space character create a possibility of a question that what are they, because they are related to escape sequences. Now because they are related to escape sequences, that is why they are included in my video. These are white space characters. See, like the first one, let us discuss them. New line, \n. Now, well, we can see in the definition of escape sequences that they are starting with the \/ character. That is why this is a escape sequence. I really hope that you're getting my point. I'll repeat it for you. \n. Now because of this \, it is a escape sequence, and they all of them, be it new line, carriage return, tab, form feed, vertical tab, they all create white space characters. They all create white spaces, and there is one more which is a white space character, but it is like it does not need a \. This is the one, and well, it does not need a \. So, well, I think we are done with the white space characters. So, moving on. Now, well, as we have understood what are escape sequences, back to the question. Yeah. Back to the question, and well, now that we know, we do not know. I understand that the definition was very complex, and you will never be able to know just by knowing the definition that how it is implemented. So, well, but at least you know the definition. You know that it starts with a \, and what white space characters are. So, well, we have something to start for the program. Let us go and write this program together, and let's find out that if we can create the profile using the escape characters and complete this question together or not. So here I have written the question. I really hope that these signs, like the hashtag, are visible to you, because if they're not, well, I can try. I really hope. Yeah, I think that they are visible now to you. So, starting with the program, we are going to write this program together. So, now as I told you that to create a profile, and in this we should gather as much information that we can get from the question itself. Now the question says that the brother is working in a company as a senior programmer. So we have the designation of the brother, that is senior programmer. We can create a variable for his name. Now he's an employee in that company, so we can create some sort of like employee code. So let us just start with the program, and we can discuss the variables while doing so. And let's start. And there's also one more thing that I want to add here, that Python is a case sensitive language. So if you write eCode this way, or if you write it this way, they both are different variables. They're not same. So while you write the print statement, if you are assigning the value in this variable, and if in the print statement you write this, it will show you an error because they both are different. It will not be able to extract the value from the question. So let us start a code. You can choose the values that you input to be random, but please just don't go out of the line and think while assigning the values to the variable. So we can write any code. We can write B34 or B3006. Yeah. Next, the name, and I am choosing this. You can choose any other name of your choice. Now we have the designation, and I am assigning this variable to the designation. So yeah, programmer. Okay, now the company, I'm going to assign a variable for the company, and I am choosing the company name to be like, suppose, Global Electronics, or yeah, anything. Okay, now this is the last variable that I'm going to assign. I think 5 are enough. Okay. Now I am going to write the print statement so that we are able to, the objective of this question was to create the profile. I think these variables are enough for creating someone's profile who's working in a company. So let us start with the print statement, and then I will be telling you in the meanwhile how to write the escape sequence in the print statement. So print print employee code. Remembering that Python is a case-sensitive language, I am not gonna write code all in capital because I have written in this way in the variable. Okay. Now I really hope that you guys remember this, right? As we discussed in the white space characters, that so this is what it is. Okay, so now we can assign the escape sequence, which is the demand of the question, that is \n. Now remember, it is for a new line, so it should give us the name in the new line because we are assigning it just before the name variable. Okay, name, it's done. But I think we should assign one more, for the clarification, and also that we have 5 variables. We all are going to print all 5 of them, so it'll be really helpful if I assign one more. Let's go with \t. So I am going to leave a line here. Using this statement, it leaves one line, in between employee code, the name will be in the next line, a line will be left, and I'm going to write the next print statement. Okay. Print even after watching my video. If you have any problem, you can always DM me the valid queries on my Instagram handle. It's given in the description box. Okay, so this is the variable of designation, comma. Now it's time for \t, that is for tab. Company. Now I am gonna write the last line of this program, and I really hope that it works. I know it's gonna work because, well, we have not made any mistake till now. Salary. Okay, so our first program is done. The code is done. I'm going to run the code. You will be able to understand how the escape sequences work after you run the program. See, we have the output. Everything that we wrote is correct. So let me explain it to you once more. Now that we have the output, I'm going to explain the whole thing again. See, please pay attention to the print statement. See, here it is. Print employee code. The employee code is here, and this is the variable. The value is extracted from here, and we can see it here. Now, \n, according to what we studied, what white space characters are, this should have, brought the name in the next sentence, in the new line. That is what it has done. See, name and the variable value that I assigned in this case, both are in the new line. Now, I told you while I was writing the program that print blank parenthesis was going to create an empty line, and here it is. See, this portion, please pay attention to my cursor. See, this is the empty line that I talked about, and here it is, the designation. Here it is, and the \t, it was for tab. And see, suppose I'm going to tell you what tab is on a very brief note. Okay, and if I use the tab key, it creates a space. It creates long spaces. But now if I use the space bar, it's a short space. You can observe it. Tab. Okay, maybe it's not working in this, but let me show you in the PowerPoint. Tab. See, it is a long space. It is a really long space in comparison to what spacebar does. Like if I'm gonna write Gauri, and if I'm gonna use the tab here it is. And if I'm gonna write Gauri here, and if I use the spacebar, see the difference in the spaces from tab and from, well, the spacebar. I'm gonna erase it. Okay, we're good. Getting back to the question. So now we all know that what \t does, it gives a tab space. That is a long space, longer than the spacebar. Here it is. \t does the tab function, and then in the next line, in a very ordinary way, we have printed the salary. Now I really hope that you are able to understand what escape sequences are and how they are implemented in the program. The definition may come, may not come, but if the program comes it will be of much more marks than the definition. And well, the implementation, you should always know. You should practice the program once or twice so that you are able to understand where the escape sequences are written, how do they work, which escape sequence works for what, and well, what white space characters are, which ones of the escape sequences are the white space character, and what print empty parenthesis does. It gives an empty line in between. And well, moving on with our video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post my video. Stay tuned. And well, I'm a bit busy right now, but I will try my best to post the next video as soon as possible, and I will be taking the next chapter of review of Python. And if there are any queries, any queries or any doubts related, valid doubts, I repeat, valid doubts related to this video, you can always directly message me on my Instagram handle, which is given in the description box, and well, I can also mention it in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And well, as I told before, this is my first video, so please be kind to me. Thank you.